Hello students, welcome to Stars of Knowledge London channel. We are here with the prediction for the 30th January 2021 exam. On this day there is only academic exam. So let's start the prediction for 30th Jan 2021, and at the end of the video I will be giving you an update regarding the writing task and the speaking task. So let's start our prediction. First, listening. In part A, there could be fill in the blanks up to one word, and part first will be easy. Listening part 2, there could be some small multiple choice questions, and this part will be easy. In part 3, you can have large multiple choice questions, and part 3 will be easy to moderate. And in the last part, that is part 4 of listening, there could be some fill in the blanks, and this fourth part will be easy. Overall, your listening will be easy on 30th Jan. Let's move on to reading. In reading passage 1, there could be some true, false, not given, and choose the correct options. And the passage 1 of reading will be easy. In passage 2, there will be some list of headings and multiple choice questions, few multiple choice questions. And passage 2 of reading will be easy to moderate. And the final passage of reading, that is passage 3, there will be yes, no, not given, and summary completion. And the passage 3 will be easy to moderate. Overall, your reading on 30th Jan will be easy to moderate. If we talk about writing, in writing task 1, there could be an option between the bars, line, process diagram, and table. Moving on to writing task 2, topics could be people, media and news, health, technology, and education. It will be causes and solution type of essay in writing task 2. Guys, for the speaking, Jan to April 2021 cue cards. We have actually started an IELTS speaking cue card series of 2021, in which we are giving the sample answers for each cue card. Already 30 videos are available on the channel for you to watch. You can just take ideas on memorize those cue cards. And also in a day or two, we are going to give you Jan to April 2021 writing task 2 topics. And the sample band answers will be there too soon. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button. Leave a comment below for anything if you want us to reply you back on anything. If you have any queries or if you have any other questions or you want us to make a video on something. And also please subscribe Stars of Knowledge on the channel and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video, students. Best of luck for your exams. Thank you.